Hello everyone, this is Rachel from Maxizm Industrial Limited. Today I'm at the Qingdao Warehouse to check our machinery for clients. Here I want to introduce the SHACMAN X3000 model. X3000 series, mostly used for the transportation of oil, drugs, concrete, steel, and all markets transportation. It comes with upgrade system, including the high reliability, high trafficability, strong bearing capacity, safety, and other characters. Okay, let's see the details. The driving type is 6x4 left-hand driving with CUMMINS engine and fast gearbox, 10 wheels, and 420 horsepower. SHACMAN X3000 cab with automatic air conditioner and electric window lifter, multi-function steering wheel, and reverse bus. It also has hydraulic main seat, hydraulic suspension with double shock absorption, top air deflector, independent water heating and heating. The tire is domestic tubeless, tire front blend pattern, and the rear wheel and spare tire is block pattern. Let's see the chassis. Adopt the main original mode. Robot laser seamless welding technology. Unique energy absorbing high tension steel body. The only domestic standard that has passed the European ECE-R29 strict collision test to test the standard heavy trunk. Plus, it has headlight protection grid, tail lamp protection grid for the low temperature pipe harness. SHACMAN has 130 spare parts stores in all over the world. Also, it has 2,900 localized specialist engineers who can support the after-sale service to the global customers. Okay, that's all for today. We also provide all kinds of engineering machinery, like the lift machine, the logistic machine, and the earth moving machine. So welcome to contact me anytime. Bye-bye.